Walking in a winter wonderland. That's the cardinal. Come to the feeder. I have feeding about 50 birds this morning. My camera don't zoom in very well. Oh, the cardinal just flew away. Oh, here comes another one. She's over. Not she. He. Look. Oh, no. Oh, if I can only zoom in. Oh, here's one right here. That's a cardinal. Can't pick up the color. And then there's one. I can't zoom in anymore. Cardinal gotta come closer. But I have 1, 2. I see 2, but I know that there's more cardinals up there. If the male is red and the female is like a brown with a little bit of red. So it's the male cardinal that we're seeing right there, but you can't really see him. But there's a red. Where'd he fly to? Oh, he's down below. So there's one on top. See the brown? There's the red one. That's the male. And there's the female right there on top. Oh, and there's another male right there. So there's 3 I see. And they come in pairs, so there should be another one. I have a crafter on the on the TV. You hear somebody talking in the background? Sometimes I just turn it on and just continuously play on. So I'm not sure who's on there now. There's the cardinal. I wanted to show you the cardinal. So it's a snowy day, as you can see. Actually, all the snow melted off the deck. And this is the snow that we have today, so it whitened the deck again. It rained really hard during the week. Oh, there's a cardinal right here in the tree. Where can I see him? He's right there. My camera don't zoom in very much. That's the female. She has a little touch of red. While the male is really bright red. Cardinals like spruce trees, so if you want, of course, depends on where you live. If you want cardinals, you have to have spruce trees. Oh, something just scared them all away. Look at that. Maybe it's me in the window. But I was trying to zoom in on my little squirrel friend over there. The red squirrel. Where'd he go? Oh, he's coming along the fence. Lots of action. Lots of wildlife here today. The snow brings them in. Oops, that's just a bird feeder. Okay, and there they be. It's February. Have a good day.